This is a real brand ad. Ocean waste, recycled fabric, cinematic quality, no camera, no crew. I built this entirely inside CapCut Video Studio using Dreamina Capcut 2.0, and I'm going to show you exactly how. So let's dive in. Head over to CapCut. I'll have the link in the description. Click on Try Online. Now on the left bar, click on Video Studio. It is not just a video editor, it's a full creative studio. Input your idea. I start by typing my idea directly into the chat. A cinematic ad for Earththread, a sustainable fashion brand made from recycled ocean plastic. Earthy tones, flowing fabric, powerful movement, emotional and purposeful. One sentence. That's all it takes. Click Auto and select the video option. In Settings, select Full Video Type. For style, you will get 45+ visual styles. Realistic, dynamic, anime, neoclassic, oil painting, and so on. I am going with realistic film. Over 300+ voice types and over 500 digital human avatars are available. Select aspect ratio and duration. Hit send. And watch what happens. Video brief. It first builds you a complete video brief, automatically. Theme, purpose, audience, key elements, the main character, outline. Background music, search by keywords to preview and add any genre. Over 200 subtitles you can choose to add to your videos. Everything is structured and ready. Before generating, check your key elements. For platform, I am going with YouTube. We're the director here. So let's refine one shot. Click on Shot 6, low-angle shot of the eco-fashion model walking. Dreamina Capcut 2.0 works best without real human faces in the frame, so I am changing the prompt to low-angle shot from waist down. 9 shots, 1 refined, all on brand. Now click on Generate Video. The AI starts generating media. You'll see the progress bar. This takes about 2 minutes. Storyboard. This is the moment where CapCut Video Studio does something that genuinely no other tool on the market does. 9 scenes. Automatically planned. Built from our brief. Built for our brand. And you're not locked into any of this. Click any scene. You can replace, trim, or delete any scene. I don't want the studio setup to finish, so I am deleting this scene. You are the director here. AI is just your production assistant. Let's watch the ad. The ocean scene. Plastic debris visible in the waves. Watch how the dress moves. The weight, the flow, the resistance, all real. Same brand aesthetic. Across every single clip. That's the high consistency feature of Dreamina Capcut 2.0 working automatically. Manual editing. The caption does not look so luxurious. I am going to edit more. And you are in the CapCut editing timeline. I changed the text to lowercase, minimal, clean, premium. When you're happy, click Export. Change resolution to 1080p. Name your file. Hit Export. Done. And there's our Earththread ad. And it already looks like it cost $10,000 to make. Replicate a popular style. Now I want to show you one of the most powerful features of Dreamina Capcut 2.0. I found this cinematic ocean fashion film. I uploaded as my reference video directly into the canvas. Select the video. Then I add my prompt. Replicate the exact visual style, color grade, and calm cinematic energy of the reference video. Click Generate. That's it. CapCut Video Studio powered by Dreamina Capcut 2.0 analyzes everything. The camera movements, the visual language. It generates a video brief. Just go through with this. And hit Generate Video. And now watch. Same ocean, same calm. But now, it's our dress. Our brand. That's replicate a popular style. One sentence, edit. Now watch this. I have my video. Warm golden tones. Beautiful. but I want to transform it completely with one sentence. I type, shift the entire mood to a cool blue cinematic feel and add a very subtle film grain texture. 2 separate edit instructions. Hit send and watch. Same brand, same earth thread. But now, cool. Moody. That transformation happened from one sentence. That is the power of Dreamina Capcut 2.0. From one sentence to a cinematic sustainable fashion ad. Built by one person, no team, no budget. This is CapCut Video Studio. This is Dreamina Capcut 2.0. The link is in the description. Go make something the world can't ignore. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe to get more updates. Until next time, happy creating!